JDCap26 here, just repairs and hobbies, and we've got the worm patch here, made in the USA. And let's open it up. Get right to this video. Welcome all you guys and girls. And we've got some patches here. Those look like they're cut to size. And one is a dry patch, and the other one, I believe, is a wet patch. Okay, so you don't have to use the Ballistol unless you run out of these patches. Okay, let's pull out more stuff out of this kit. Here's the actual whip. I call it a whip. Okay. Put the package over there. Let's open up this part of the kit. Hopefully you can do that simply. There we go. You got to pull it by your nail, by the edge there. See the flip right there? To open it up. It's got several plugs here, okay? One of these plugs fit 22 and 177. I believe the black plug fits 177. Okay? Caliber. So you'd use that for 177. And then the bigger plugs are for bigger. That looks like it almost could be a 9mm or 45. Okay. I'm guessing the red plug is the one we're looking for. I could be mistaken on the black plug. Let me see. There's no instructions with this, so you have to really go by feel. And pulling them out of here is a difficult task. You could lose them very easily. That could be for 177, the white one. Okay, so let's see the black one. Let's look at the bore, and of course we have to open up the gun here to really look at the bore. Okay. I would say the black plug for this. Let me see the red one. The red one would be red one. You could use the red one. I don't want to get the worm stuck in the gun. I'm going to try a pre-fit here. So what you do is you take the whip here and you want to put this red thing on the whip like that. Okay, the pointed end here all the way down the whip. Okay, until it reaches this green part. See a green part right there? Okay, then let's put these over here, the patches. And you take it and you feed it through. We don't lose the black one either. You feed it through the inside of the muzzle. Okay, there it is right there at the other end. And like I said, we're gonna try this. We're gonna try to see if it goes through. Okay, the red one does not go through. So that's the incorrect one for 22. This is a 22 caliber. So let's take that off. I would guess it's the black one. Okay, so let's put the black one again. Put it on the pointed part of the whip, or the pull, all the way down to the notch like that. Okay, get the pointed part and feed it in from the backside of the gun. This would be on rifle too. Feed it in from the backside. You know, if you have the room. And that fits perfectly. So we're going to put a patch on there now. Okay? We're going to put a wet patch. The wet patches are the ones with the type on them. Okay, and open that up. And pinch one out. I'm going to just use one. These are pre-lubed with Ballistol, probably, I'm guessing, okay? If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Stab the center of the patch like that, like I'm trying to do. That was a little off center, like that, and move the patch all the way down to that black part right there. Okay, so let's feed it through the gun. And I haven't cleaned this for a while, but it could be pretty clean. So pull it through. That's again not going through. So let's take the patch off. It's not going through the black one. Maybe it's like some other person said, it's got to be fed. It's on an angle. So let's try it again. Let's try it again. It's on an angle. It's got to meet it. It's got to meet it dead on. No, that's not going to work. So it's not the black one. And now we got to pull it out. Okay, it's not the black one, so not the black plug, so we destroyed one patch. Big deal. Okay, it's not the black plug for 22. So let's go to, you gotta remember the cloth takes up the space in between the barrel and the whip itself. So let's use the white one for 22. Okay, that's close to what it should be. Let's pinch off another patch here. And you can make your own patches too. I've got a whole bag over here. You can cut them to size and just put stab it. Try not to stab your fingers. Move it all the way down to there. And let's feed it through the gun. This is the white collar, plastic white collar. When you get to here, you wanna feed it. Yeah, that's not working either. I'm doing this video because I want you guys to learn how to use this system, you know. That's pretty tight, you know, for a plug. These plugs are supposed to be for that purpose. They're supposed to be sized. But let's put that back in there. We're going to use it now just with the patch. This is all trial and error. It's the first time I'm using this kit. And you could put a couple patches on there. So let's use it just as is. No plug, okay? And it goes through with no plug really good. And it's a little dirty, see? It's a little dirty. Pull that off. Get one more. So use it without any of the plugs. The other plugs are for larger calibers than 22 and 177. I would say for 177 and 22, use just the whip itself. Okay? So that way you don't run into a risk of getting the plug jammed in there and then you have to pull it out, push it out with a cleaning rod, you know. Normally, this is a new system for me. I would use a cleaning rod. I do have other pull methods. So I'm going to pull it through. Okay. Now we're going to go to the tri-patches. Okay. Can you see this? I hope you can see this. These are the dry ones. I'm going to pull one. We'll pull three out. I'm not too fussy about cleaning my guns, but every so many rounds you do want to clean them because the Teflon they put on and the lube they put on the pellets when they pack them, you know, will build up in the barrel. It won't hurt anything. And don't ever, ever, ever use gun cleaning products on your pellet guns, air rifles, or any of that. Okay. See. Pretty quick too. I mean, you just stab one on there and run it through, and it's pretty quick. And this is long enough to do, you know, your air guns, your air rifles. I would save one of these for the, you know, in your kit to measure, you know, the, you know, how the width of it, so you can make new ones, you know, out of the square ones. You can cut some new ones. You can sit there cutting patches. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put another patch on top of that one and not even take it off. Okay. That way you get a nice fit against the barrel. You put two. So let's try two. We're going to try two on a 22. Okay. Okay, two is a tight fit. You're going to have to use some force. Okay, so two is the maximum, depending on the thickness of your material, your cloth. All right, of the patches that come with the worm kit. Okay, so let's pull that off. And it's still coming out pretty dirty, I would say. You know, you could use probably the whole bag of them. Let's try these. This is a square one. These, I'll tell you the name of these in a minute. Pull a square one out. These are from Pro Shop Products. You get 1,000, USA made. They're linen. So let's try a square one on here and see how that goes. This is just right stock out of the bag. Okay. I'll try to have the you know, this kit in the comments below. And if this patch works, I'll have these in there and see if we can pull it through. Oh yeah, works great. Nice and clean, gun's clean. Okay. That's the worm kit. And got a nice handy bag to put it back in. I may put it in, I have containers to keep it in. But I don't know how much, you know, how durable this plastic is. I don't know if they dry out over time. That's a good question. I'd like to find out if they do. Okay, on the back it says it already. For the plugs. My bad, okay. It says the white is for 22. Okay, well, the white may work on a 22, but I would, you know, be careful using it. You know, the white plug. The black is 243. The red is 308. The purple is 355. The orange is 41 to 45. The blue is 50 to 54. These are the colors right here. I'm sorry. Here's the colors. Okay. 12 gauge is the yellow one. See that big one down there? That's 12 gauge. Okay. As it does cover an array from 20 cal to 12 gauge calibers, but be careful with the plugs. Don't get them stuck in your barrel. You don't want to do that. There's a possibility you can, like I showed you, because I used the white one, and the white one just, you know, it'd probably work in a rifle barrel, but yeah, you got to be careful. It depends on the thickness of the cloth, really. And I was only using one cloth. Okay, so let's close that up. Make sure they're all closed. And I'm going to put all the links down there and below. That's the PatchWorm kit, okay, by Air Ventura, I believe it's made by. It's made by patchworm.com, actually, but okay, so no, I misplaced something here here it is. Okay, I've got these little shooters because I want to shoot one through the gun. So we're going to put a little plug in here. It's a little plug to cause resistance. And the gun's clean. So I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.